There's another way to keep your audiences engaged with your YouTube channel as well. That is by making community posts. That is like posts that you make in social medias like images or simple update that you can give to your audience about your particular YouTube channel. So to access that out, you can see on the top here, you can see create post is an option. If you were to go around over here in create post, then what you get is this space right here where you can go around and then add in, let's say, for example, details regarding what you want to share to your audiences. For example, you can go around and say, I am going to post an example video next week. And I'm going to say, tune in, just like this. So I can just go around and then let's say, write this and post this out right here just like this. And similarly, you can post out many things like images, image polls, text polls and videos, and even get various posting options. And the community will be able to like it, will be able to dislike it right here, will be able to share it, and even comment, as you can see right here. So they'll be able to comment over here as well. So that is how you can make community posts inside of your YouTube channel as well by using this feature. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.